Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have an Okuma Simulturn LU-400. This machine comes with a 12-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck at 2,000 RPMs. It has two 10-station turrets, a tailstock with a hydraulic quill. For full specifications, I will always list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Okuma Simulturn LU-400. For any further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.